At work, foreign customers often ask us about the FCL ocean freight from ports such as Shenzhen Port, Shekou Port, and Yancheng Port. So, do you know the differences between these ports? We have specially made a video to explain the differences and connections between these names. Actually, there are three main container terminals in Shenzhen Port: Shekou, Yancheng, and Daqing Bay. Shekou Port is located in the west of Shenzhen. The former Shekou Container Terminals, Qiwan Container Terminal, and Maoyan Terminal all belong to the western Shenzhen Port area, starting from March 2017. These three terminals unified as Shekou Port, and uniformly used UN Port Code TNSHK. Yancheng Port is located in the east of Shenzhen. It is a deep-water port that can accommodate large container vessels of 100,000 tons and above. Daqing Bay is also located in the west of Shenzhen. Construction officially started in September 2005 and officially put into use in 2009, generally speaking, for containers exported from Shenzhen. Most vessels berth at Shekou and Yancheng terminals, and a small number of vessels berth at Daqing Bay. Normally, near-sea vessels generally berth at Shekou, deep-sea vessels generally berth at Yancheng. Due to the different locations of these three terminals, the export trailer charges may be different, but the other port charges are similar. If you have any questions about Shenzhen or other ports in China, please leave a message and communicate with us.